I purchased this clock while I was in Colombia at the Versailles auction. It was on one of the tables. It's a one-day clock, and it's one of the more expensive clocks because it is wood, where I have another clock like this. It's particle board, and it's made by WUBA. What's cool about this movement is this movement is very similar to a cuckoo clock. So it's going to be easy, but as far as putting it back together, except for the chains. And the chains, it's a one chain system that has two weights. It's two different pulleys. And this chain comes out, goes into the first hole of the clock, comes up in the third hole of the clock, comes up and around the time side, comes down of the time side back into the last hole of the clock, and then goes into another pulley, and then swings up and goes into the right side of the chime. So it's one continual chain. It's missing the pendulum, but I got a really good deal on it. Not only did I get the Netherlands clock, but I also got this French clock. It's missing the glass and the minute hand, but it was a French clock. It's also missing the pendulum. But I also got this alarm clock, and I got this plate clock, which is supposed to be an 8-day clock. However, some genius put a battery operated movement in, so maybe I can come up with a movement for this plate clock. It's a very beautiful clock. But I got those 4 clocks, to include that Netherlands clock I just showed you, and another battery operated clock, and I paid a total of $50 for all 5 items. I think I did really well.